In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Canva website in Wix. By the end, you'll have your Canva design displaying right inside your Wix site, combining Canva's visuals with Wix's site tools for a clean, professional result. Start by opening your website design in Canva. When it's ready, go to Share and choose Publish or Publish Website, then confirm. Canva will process your design and generate a live URL. Give it a moment. Keeping the tab open helps the link appear without interruption. If you don't see the publish option, double check that your design is set up as a website in Canva rather than a static design. Once your Canva site is live, you'll grab the embed code. On the published page, click Share again, go to More, and select Embed. Click Embed to reveal the HTML iframe code Canva creates for you. Then click Copy. This code is what tells Wix to display your Canva site inside a section on your page. Now switch over to Wix, log in at wix.com, open your site, and click Edit Site to launch the editor. Navigate to the page where you want the Canva design to appear. Add a blank section so you have a clean area to place the embed without extra padding or conflicting elements. In that section, click Add and choose Embed Code or Embed HTML. Select Custom Embed or Enter Code, depending on what your version of the editor shows. Paste the HTML embed code you copied from Canva, then click Update or Apply to drop it in. You should immediately see a live preview of the Canva content inside the Wix editor. Adjust the size of the embed element so the full Canva design is visible. Increase the section height to avoid unwanted internal scroll bars, especially for longer Canva pages. If you want it to span the entire browser width, use stretch to make the section or the element full width. Take a quick look at your site's mobile view as well, and resize the embed if needed so it's readable on smaller screens. Click Preview to test the experience. Interact with your links and buttons. They should function normally inside the embedded frame. If anything looks clipped, return to the editor and fine-tune the element and section sizing. When everything feels right, click Publish to push your Canva to Wix setup live. If you want more control over responsiveness and SEO, you can recreate the layout directly in Wix by matching your Canva colors, fonts, and images. But for speed and accuracy, embedding is the quickest path. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.